The heart has become a foreigner, a long sad poem. The heart has become a foreigner now. It wanders hands I cannot now. Once it lived within my guest. Now it drift where cold winds blow. Once it sang in sweetest tune of joy, of hope, of warm embrace, but now it mours foreign word and hides behind a stranger's face. It now the language of your smile, the rhythm of your gentle breath. But since you left, it speaks in pain, in silence, loose and quiet death. I call it home, it does not dare. I beg it, come back to me, please. But it's a ghost in distant hands, a prisoner lost beyond the seas. It used to bloom when you were near, a rose of fire, fairest and bright, but now it wilt in sundowns, deep fried to ever touch the light. I do not now this heart I own. It flinches when I speak your name. It does not rage. It does not cry. Just echoes back my guilt and shame. I foreigner beneath my ribs, a dream of places you still stay, and leaves me here to long while it has quietly slipped away. So if you see it, hold it tight and tell it not to roam too far, till it my chest is still its home, even bruises branches each isn't, for thought it's lost and does speak, and all its joy has turned to pain. I'll wait for it in sleepless nights and hope it finds its way again.